to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing a pound cake. It's for company. We are having a party this evening and it's for one of my neighbors that's leaving, Mike and Ula. They are relocating. So let me get started on this cake. Let me just share with you the ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs. I have 6 eggs, pound of butter, 3/4 cup of milk. This is a spray for the pan here. I'm gonna add 4 cups of flour and 4 cups of sugar in this cake. So let me get started. Go ahead and add the sugar. That's 4 cups of sugar. Just so you know, I have already added 2 cups of sugar already. And that's 4 cups. I'm going to start adding the flour. Milk. I added some more milk. It's going to be very difficult for me to not eat some of this cake. I know I'm on a keto diet, but you know, the chef always got to taste their food, so I will be tasting some of this cake, just so you know. Don't hate me. Okay, it's a 1/3 cup of flour. Is the 4th cup of flour. Okay, that's 4 cups of flour. And I'll add this salt and a teaspoon of salt. Then I'll add the vanilla, the almond, the vanilla flavor. Add about 2 teaspoons. Oh, let me open it. We'll just go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of that. That's almond. And this is the vanilla. teaspoons of vanilla. Go ahead and cut that off. It's about ready. And I'm going to prepare the pan by spraying it and adding some flour in the bunk pan. Go ahead and prepare the pan. Go ahead and turn it off. Got the pan ready. Got the oven preheated at 300 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in the pan. Smooth that. Place it in the oven. Here we go. And it's gonna take an hour and about 40 to 45 minutes. I made the broccoli salad here. I added 1 cup of mayo, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic. I added some cherry tomatoes in the bowl here and just a little sugar. And I added some regular vinegar to the salad, about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Okay. All right, and that was about it. And it looks delicious. Let me show it to you. I'm gonna go ahead and make the egg salad now. Is 2 tablespoons of mayo. I added a little sugar, about I would say about a pinch of sugar to the egg salad here. And I'm gonna add a little garlic. That's about a half a teaspoon of garlic. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. And I added about a tablespoon of prepared mustard in here. And I'll add some salt in a little bit, but I will taste it first before I add the salt. I added half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to add some vinegar, just a little bit, not much. That's about a half a teaspoon of vinegar. This is a quick and easy recipe to take to a party. I took it to a party once before, and it's just dill pickles and bacon. I cut the bacon in half, and then I'm cutting the pickles in half, and then cutting them again in half. Like I'm gonna show you one that I'm gonna do. This one here. Just cutting it in half. Then I'm gonna turn around and just cut the stem off of them. We don't need that. And then I'm gonna cut them in half again. And that's how I make the bacon and pickle hors d'oeuvres. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.